Hello.
Are you crazy?
How you doing, everyone? Konnichiwa. It's been a while since I last made some videos, so as you can see, there had been a change in me. Hindi pa nalagay yung baba na brace ko. Anyway, that's another topic. Anyway, a little update, guys, why I haven't posted in a while. And as you can see, I am now at my room dito sa baba. Sa taas, pagulo pa kasi doon pa yung mga jackets ko and all that things. Connecting to what had happened, I moved out from my apartment since my parents had bought me a motorcycle, okay? If you haven't seen that, you can check my YouTube short. You can check my YouTube short. I will put the link sa baba, okay? Ito yung mga parcel natin. Yung iba, hindi pa siya dumatating. Anyway, let's go. Put this guys here. Yan. Hindi ako kita, what the hell. Okay. Hindi siya motor parts. Okay. Ito pala yung isang in-order ko na in-sponsor din na papa sa akin. So, binigyan niya ako ng hindi ko na sasabihin kung magkano. Binigyan niya ako ng pera. Okay? Binigyan ng pera, tapos bumili ako ng motor parts, tapos in-add ko na rin to. Okay? I don't know if this will look good. Wait, I'll go outside and I will show you. And pretty cool. As you can see, it's pretty nice. It's decent. Oh, ito yung ito yung ilalagay ko dun sa toolbox niya. Don't worry guys, papakita ko naman kung ano yung use nito, kung paano ko siya ikakabit and all that things. Basically, this is for the toolbox of my motorcycle. Kasi ilalagay ko siya, tapos dito din ilalagay yung ORCR niya and all that things. Okay. Ito siya guys. Ayan, nalagyan siya ng ORCR. Para kapag check, saan yung ORCR mo? Sir, ito, sampal mo. Charis, joke ka lang guys. Siyempre, wag natin gagawin yun. Anyway, tanga ka pala eh. I don't plan on being a motovlogger. I just, want to basically show you the experience of my life. Anyway, kapag natsipan ko na parang, siguro, I want to travel vlogs using my motor. And then, show ko sa inyo, ganun basically. Kung ano yung mangyayari doon, that's what I'm planning. But I don't plan on being a motovlogger or something like that. Alam ko na kung ano to. This is basically for the this one is for the cover of my wait. And for the cover of my mga buttons ng motor ko. And dun sa harap niya, pants. Let's see. I will show you the fit again. Here's the look of it. I like this. Pretty cool. See that? Yeah, no? Good, man. Angas. Maangas talaga. I will need this. Kakailanganin ko to since I will be cleaning my wala kasing masyadong car wash dito. Dati meron dun sa gasolinahan doon sa gasolinahan basically. Okay, padating pa lang isa. Natin pa lang. Bale, I still have 2 parcels to be arrived. Yung isa is dapat kasi ngayon na. Kasi i-deliver pa lang daw. So, ayun, kakagaling ko pa lang. Nagpa-print ako ng ORCR ko. Kasi nga, yung ORCR ko na dati is like, ayan, nabasa. Okay? Basta siya. And ngayon, kakabit na natin yung iba. Okay, so basically, kakabit ko na sila. I don't know. Tapos yung mga iba is like pasingit na lang na clip. And ngayon, sililinisan ko muna siya. After ko linisan, ikakabit ko na lahat. Tapos after yun, pupunta muna ako sa school. Okay? So tara! So what's up guys, I'm trying to figure out paano ko ilalagay ito. Ang papel na to dito. Ano ilalagay ito na pang ano. So kukuntingin ko na lang siya. So ito yung ano, organizer ko guys. Ito siya. And I so close this shit up. Ito wala kong kabit kasi ito pinamadali. Ang ina mo. Okay, check. Ayan. Next. Ito na. Parang na. Basta ito siya. Ayan. Sa idea. Anyway, ayun siya. You know, I think I did a great job. What do you guys think? Time to put this thing. Ayun! Sarap pare! So paano ko ito kakabit? Putang ina, kailangan ko pa ba ng bolts dito?
Ito, para sa'yo to.
Ay, video ka yan. Okay, win boy. Hey guys, so kakatapos ko maligo and alis na ako and ilalagyan ko na ng VS1 yung motor ko. So maybe I will end my my vlog here. And I do hope you enjoyed this video. I guess, I don't know if this is informational or what. And yung foot padding ko pa pala is wala pa. So, baka ilalagay ko na lang yun as padagdag na lang or parang extra clip na lang ganon. I don't know. So, yun lang. I will add my VS1 and magmamontage na ako guys. So, lang guys, I hope you do enjoy this video. And if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And I am back guys. Mag-vlog na pa ulit ako.
Jay, boy.